Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about coronavirus, which is the deadliest uh, virus that is right now around us everywhere. And welcome to our channel that is Learn with Smita. I am Smita, and also there is a new video coming up on Indian heritage. If you want the premiere, I'm going to give it today only. See the description box to know more. Now, let's get started with the topic. I know this logo was not necessary, but I thought to give logo, so I gave a coronavirus cute cartoon logo. Let's get started with the topic. Today, I'm not showing my face, it's just because of the camera. The cameras, the visuality is really bad, and my face comes really very blur. So I didn't thought of showing my face again. Okay, so now let's get started. So let's know coronavirus. Before we understand more about coronavirus, we need to know what is coronavirus. Coronavirus is also known as COVID-19. It is the disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, the coronavirus that emerged in December 2019. COVID-19 can also be severe and has millions of deaths around the world, as well as lasting health problems in some of them who have survived the illness. We know now that in India there are two types of vaccine that have came. First is Covaxin and another is Covishield. The coronavirus can spread from person to person in contact or through some objects. Now let's know more about them. First method that through which coronavirus spreads is people to people contact. When an infected person sneezes, the respiratory droplets produced enters the mouth or nose of the nearby people and can get inhaled into the lungs. And then when the viruses go inside our lungs through mouth or nose, it starts to multiply. And as virus multiplies itself in a living organism, it will cause you the disease that is coronavirus. Another method through which coronavirus spreads is contaminated objects. If a person touches a contaminated surface or object that has the virus on it and then touches their nose, mouth, or eyes, also this is not thought to be the main way of the virus spreadings, but it happens in rare conditions and also in rare times. So let's be careful and not touch some objects. Means we can touch the objects and after that we can use the sanitizer to wash out it or use some soap. So air transmission is also the another way. Yes, so this is not the main way of the virus spreadings, but the main way is people to people contact. Next is the symptoms. If you get the coronavirus, then you should go to doctors immediately. So the first symptom is cough, then sore throat. If you have sore throat, then you should immediately go to the doctors or you can get vaccine. Next is fever. You might also get headache and also some muscle pain. Muscle pain can also happen to some old age peoples, but it's better if you get muscle pain, you can massage it. That's the best way I would tell. Next is the preventions of the coronavirus. So first thing is that you should avoid close contact with any people, whether that person is infected or not. And it is also happening in around the world that some person is infected but the symptoms that person cannot see the symptoms yet, so you need to be careful and also avoid close contact with that person or any person. Clean your hands often. Well, if you are in your house, then no need to clean your hands often, like every 20 minutes. It is not needed. When you touch something really dirty or at a place where you have not touched a while, after that you need to clean your hands with running water and soap. Next is stay home, stay safe, and also you need to stay at your home. Never close the windows. You need to keep your windows open so that your house stays ventilated. Cover coughs and sneezes. Whenever you feel like you are going to cough or sneeze, cover it either with your elbow or with a handkerchief. Next is wear a face mask if you are sick. So if you are sick, that time only you don't need to wear a face mask. Even if you're not sick, you need to wear, because as we saw, people to people contact may happen to you if you're not wearing a face mask. Next is clean and disinfect. Basically, viruses come to those places where the houses or some places are not cleaned for a while. They are very dingy and really dirty. There's a lot of dirt around. If your house is like that, then it must be that coronavirus will come there. So you need to clean every single place, every single bit, every single corner of your house, and everywhere. Clean your surroundings. Now, how to wash your hands? Well, after coughing or sneezing, when to wash actually, not how. When you are after coughing and or after sneezing, when you are taking care for a sick person, before and after, also during preparing food. Well, it will be eating right now, because as kids and students, we are of course not going to prepare food. Next is before eating, after eating. If you are having pets at your house, then you need to first clean them, and after that clean your hands. When hands are dirty, you need to clean them. It's important, and we used to do this. After you do toilet or do washroom, you need to clean your hands with soap for 20 seconds. Now we are going to see some FAQs. The first question is that why is it called coronavirus? Well, the coronavirus is named after their appearance. When they see it through a microscope, the image comes somewhat like this. Here you can see some red crowns are there. So corona actually means crown, and the virus's outer layer are covered with many different uh, spike proteins that surround them like a crown. So that's why the name came corona, and virus is a virus, because corona can multiply in a living organism. Our next question is, who is at a higher risk of getting COVID 19? Basically, the older adults and people who have serious chronic medical conditions like heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, and also lung disease. So, they are at higher risk of getting COVID 19. And also, to prevent, there's the best method is to get vaccinated. Our next question is, who should get tested for COVID 19? So, if you have symptoms like fever, cough, or difficulty in breathing, or having some many symptoms like sore throat, muscle pain, headache, fever, and more, or you have been a close contact with a person who has coronavirus, or you have been taking care for that person, then those special persons should get tested for COVID 19. And now, if you're having more questions, you can write them in the comment section below, and I will try to answer to all of your questions that you have. And then to know more, you can visit this site. I'm going to give the link in the description box below and also in the comments section. And this is the end, and thank you everyone. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to ask if you have any question in your mind. Bye, see you at the next video.